So this was the meeting chat, and you can use it effectively while conducting your class to ask your students to ask queries, their queries here in the chat box, so that the whole class is not disturbed by the chaos created by students asking for questions. So it is a better option to tell your students to ask their queries in the chat box, and they will be able to see the agenda or the meeting notes that or important topics that you have discussed in the meeting as well. Okay, so let's close this. Now moving on, the last option, second last option is show participants. So this is going to show the participants present in the meeting. So here you can see only uh, I am present, so it is showing the red button. This means that I am in a call right now. I am in the meeting, and this is the suggestion, okay, that I can invite this person to this meeting. Okay, because this is the only person added into my team, so that's why it is showing me suggestions that whom I can invite. Alright. Now here you can see. Okay, so I have not added anyone. So otherwise, I would have shown. I would like to show the option. So in these three ellipses in the people tab, so here is the people tab. You can share the invitation here, and this will show the list of the participants that are in the meeting right now. Okay, so right now I am only present, and this one is the only suggestion. This person is not in the meeting. Okay, so let's see these three ellipses. Now this is showing, the first one is the manage permissions. So let's say click on this, and I want to manage the permissions regarding this meeting, that whom I want to permit something or whom I want to not permit. So here you can see the meeting options that I can set. Uh, the meeting is for IT channel and conducted by test module. So you can see the question is who can bypass the lobby. So when any one of the person is entering the meeting, so whenever anyone would like to enter the meeting, they would be asked by the organizer. So a notification will pop up to me that this person is asking to enter the meeting. Okay, as in other apps, as in other video conferencing apps, it will always ask the organizer or the owner of the meeting to allow the participants to enter or not. So if you want to say who can bypass the lobby, so if you want to remove this restriction, so if you want to keep anyone can join the meeting with the link, so you can just select anyone. Or if you want everyone to ask your permission, then you can select only me, only you can bypass the lobby. Otherwise every person has to ask for your permission. So this is right now set to people in my organization. So I would like, if anyone from my organization is joining this meeting, then they can bypass the lobby. Otherwise they any of the other people, they have to wait, or they have to uh, wait for my permission. If I allow them, then only they can enter into the meeting. All right, so this is the first question and the first setting, and the second one is who can present. So this option is really helpful, because in Teams meeting, when we have a lot of students added here, right now you do not see anyone because I am only present in the meeting. But when you have a lot of persons added here, they are able to okay, just let's wait, let me add one person so that I can elaborate more clearly. Alright, so here you can see I have added one participant. Basically I have logged in from my another email ID and joined this meeting. So it is right now showing unknown user. Now whatever the name has been given, so let's say, now here you can see by clicking on these three epsilons, the first option I have is the authority that the organizer has is to mute a participant. But right now this person is already a participant, is already mute, so that's why this option is not highlighted. So this person is already mute. Now again I can pin or unpin this person from, so that it is available on the screen or not. Okay, so I can pin or unpin. So let's unpin. Then moving on, the next is I can remove the participant, and this is the option that I want to discuss regarding the managing the permissions. Okay, so we will discuss it in a moment.